Hey you guys, happy Wednesday. And I have baby boy with me, but he's not in the back with me at the moment. He just stepped out the car with my husband. But we are heading over to Joann's to see what the sale is. We're gonna go ahead and do that now, and I will check back in with you guys with more sales after the Joann's sales. So let's get back into Joann's. Let's go. Alright, so we're into the sales. I'm going to put up the sale on the screen so you're able to see it, but this is Butterick. Come on, y'all know that these new patterns is getting ready to drop, so make sure you check out all of the patterns in your local Joann's. Like I said, I'm going to put the pattern sales up on the screen so you're able to see it, because they are not on the drawer. And half of the time when I come to Joann's, they're never up on the drawer, or the sign is not posted. So I like to put it up on the screen so you're able to see it as well. But this is the McCalls, the Vogue, the Nomi, and we're gonna get to Simplicity. And this is the Simplicity side of the house. So this is what they have on the Simplicity side right here. This Joann's have a lot of the older patterns as well. I don't make it up here very much, about 2 days a week. I work out of one office, so I'm able to kind of stop by at lunchtime, but the sales are not going on the days that I work up this way, on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So this is one of an old pattern. So, I mean, they have a lot, and y'all know I did this one on a live, so this one is a good one. It's only 2 pattern pieces, y'all. You're welcome. This pattern right here was part of Sew It Academy a while ago. I made this pattern as well, so definitely check out what's in your local Joann's. And you guys know I have a sew along for this one. I'll put it up so you're able to see that. 6707. I did it as a Chippendale. So one thing I will say is, according to my girl C from We See Style, do not pick up this pattern, but pick it up at your own risk. Alright, let's look at this Quilter Showcase cotton print. I'm in a different store like you guys see, but they have a huge variety. I am looking for some plaid gingham. I see a lot of polka dots. Polka dot may be my thing right now, but I'm seeing a lot of plaid gingham is what I'm looking for. But this is on sale for $3.99. Let's get into some more fabric. Alright, next up is our novelty cotton print. It is on sale, doorbuster, for $7.99. This is what this whole entire aisle look like. It's a lot, y'all. Like, I love this store for the sake of it having a lot of different prints that you can use. Let's get into some more fabric. So licensed character fabric and no sew throw kits are on sale for 25% off. I like this Tweety bird because I taught a putty that. Okay, I love that. I love the Scooby-Doo right here. I grew up watching Scooby-Doo, but they have a lot of prints on sale. Just make sure you check that out. Let's get into some more fabrics. I also want to mention this Happy Value fabric. It's on sale for $2. So I see like some paws, some animal prints, some polka dots, some gingham. $2, y'all. You might want to run and get it while it's on sale now. Let's get into some more fabrics. So you guys know I always stop by the clearance section and see what's on sale. But what it says is fashion apparel special. I'm going to zoom it in so you can see it. But fashion apparel special occasion fleece flannel cotton shop and cotton canvas outdoor fabric and 54-inch home decor fabrics is on sale for 60% off. And then your licensed and team shop fabric is on sale for $7.99. Just so you're able to see that. So just to give you kind of like, see, 60% off of fleece and flannel fabrics. And then, you know, they have a lot of fabrics and prints here. You just have to go through your store and see what's available. I even like this one right here. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is a knit solid rayon polyester with 3% spandex. I'm trying to zoom it in so you can see it. And it's a rib knit. I actually like that. So make sure you check out what's available in your local Joann. Let's move over to some more fabric. Okay, so on my Make 9, I said that you need to make sure you gather your materials. So I wanted to let you know that thread is on sale. Buy 3, get 2 free on thread. But look at the thread with it being on sale. Look at this thread. This thread is looking empty, y'all. But make sure you get your thread for some sewing next week. Let's get into some more details. Now, even though a lot of people may be out of holiday spirit right now, but I just want to let you guys know home decor fabric is last chance for 80% off. You could check out the home decor fabrics right here in this Joann's that I'm currently in. One more thing and then I'm going to end. Alright, so those are all the pattern sales and details of Joann's. I am so sorry you got to hear this raggedy cart, but I got a cart only because I got my son in here with me. He doesn't want to be on camera this time, but that is it at local Joann's. I will talk to you guys soon. Let's go ahead and get out of Joann's and let me go ahead and pick up this fabric for this boy. Let's talk. Alright, you guys, that's my time at Joann's. Boy and I, he's ahead of me, but boy and I, we are going to go ahead and get some food to eat before I take him back to school. He had an appointment today, so that's why I'm doing it early. Until next time, y'all, stay blessed and peace.